Hi everyone, my name is Harpreet. Welcome to my channel, The Mancha Tutorials. I am a certified trainer from IDP, you know that. So today's video is going to be an important update. I wanted to tell you all that British Council has also come up with its online exams. Yes, now the CD IELTS is not just with IDP, but if you want to take the exam through British Council, then you can take the exam, the online one, through British Council as well. I know many of you trust British Council more than IDP, but I would like to tell you that both British Council and IDP are under the same organization, that is Cambridge IELTS. So both the exams are equal. The marking is equal. So you can take the exam from either IDP or British Council, not to worry. But here are some differences between the exam taking from British Council and if you are taking it from IDP. So let me just tell you about that. Now, if you take the exam in IDP, from IDP, and that is the CD IELTS, that's the online exam, and that too from Chandigarh region, then the speaking is going to be the video conferencing speaking. Rest everything remains the same, that your listening, reading and writing exam will be on the computer. Okay, this is the LRW exam. So LRW exam will be on a separate date and the speaking exam will be on a separate date, but speaking will also be online. You will not be allowed to have face-to-face conversation with the examiner in speaking. But if you take the exam anywhere else other than Chandigarh throughout India through IDP, and that's an online exam, then the speaking would be face-to-face. All right. Now let's talk about what happens in British Council exam when you take the CD IELTS exam. Now British Council has just recently come up with their online exam system. Earlier there was just offline exam, pen and paper based exam only. But if you take the exam from British Council, then the speaking exam is on the very same day as your LRW exam. Yes, I have checked a lot of dates and now I have got to know that if you have to take the exam from British Council, then you will have to appear for the speaking exam on the very same day. I know it's going to be a little difficult for many of you because you wanted to prepare for your speaking exam on the other day and you wanted to prepare for your LRW on one day. I know it becomes difficult because you have to prepare for your speaking cue guards. There are so many things you have to prepare. So if you ask me, I would also say that taking the speaking exam on a separate date is a better option rather than taking it on the same day. Alright, so now let me tell you quickly about the timings in which you can give the speaking exam if you are planning to take the British Council exam and the online one. So I have checked the website of British Council and I have got to know that there are two timings in which you can take the LRW exam, the online one from British Council. The first timing is 9 a.m. and the second one is 5 p.m. So in these two timings, any one of these two timings you can take the exam online one. But if you want to take the exam of the speaking one, you can choose the timings from 12:40 till 2 p.m. So any of these timings you can choose by yourself, but the speaking exam is going to be on the same. But after October, the timings are changing. So there are two timings for LRW exam. The first one is 9 a.m. That will remain the same. And then the second exam for the LRW exam will start at 13 hours. That means it will start at 1 p.m. So accordingly, the speaking exam timings are also going to change, and the speaking exam timings are ranging from 10:40 a.m. till 12 p.m. 12 noon. Okay, so these are the exam timings. I have found that out from the British Council website. About IDP, I have already told you, and I'm also going to link both the British Council and IDP website in the description below so that you can verify yourself as well, and you are pretty sure about that. You are free to take the exam via pen and paper mode and CD IELTS. That's your choice. If you take the exam from British Council and IDP, again it's going to be the same. It depends on your satisfaction the most and the availability of yours. All right, so all the very best for the exam of yours. Stay updated with the Mancha tutorials because I'll be providing you all the important details. If you have found this video to be useful, please do not forget to press the thumb button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Signing off, Harpreet.